Finding that perfect shampoo is critical because without it, everything else in your hair routine breaks, even if you're a professional stylist and know exactly what you're doing. So getting the right shampoo could be the final piece of you finally making significant progress on your hair journey. But first, let's talk about how the wrong shampoo could completely derail you, and it mostly comes down to having the wrong amount of hydration. There are so many people out there with fine and medium hair that are using a shampoo that has way too much hydration in it. And no matter what they do, as long as they use that shampoo, they're never gonna be able to get life and body and volume into their hair. It's always gonna be heavy and producty. It's not gonna feel good. It's not gonna be light, fresh, and voluminous. They're stuck washing their hair way too often, going through shampoo way too fast, wondering how other people are able to go days between washes. Every time they style their hair, it just stays flat. They wonder what they're doing wrong, but really it's just the shampoo. On the other hand, some hair needs that type of shampoo that has heavy hydration, otherwise their hair is dry and frizzy. And if those people don't use a shampoo with heavy moisture, no matter how they style their hair, it's always gonna be unmanageable, it's gonna be dry, it's gonna be frizzy, instead of sleek, smooth, and looking healthy. And don't even get me started about drugstore brands. If you are getting your shampoos at the Target hair aisle, you are setting yourself up for disaster even if you're doing everything else right. That's because those products are super, super cheap. And in hair, you get what you pay for. It's not like makeup where you can find really cheap brands that essentially do the same thing. For the most part, the ingredients in makeup aren't that expensive, so you can find those cheap duplicate brands and they'll work just fine. But hair products are different because they rely on making chemical reactions, and you can't fake a chemical reaction. You need ingredients that are strong, pure, and not watered down, or else you're not gonna get good results. And drugstore brands are super watered down, so they don't actually work very well. They're gonna leave a layer of oil and buildup on your hair. That layer of buildup is going to block any other nutrients or products from actually reaching the hair and getting results. Imagine shampooing with your Pantene, your Milkshake, your Kristen S, whatever it is, and you think you got your hair clean, so you go in with your conditioner, except the conditioner doesn't do anything because it can't actually reach the hair. The hair is coated in oil and buildup. That way the conditioner never reaches the hair. No nutrients get to the hair and no moisture gets to the hair. It's a complete waste. That is not how you get healthy hair. You get healthy hair with professional shampoo. A lot of people think it's too expensive, but if you get the liter, it only comes out to $3.50 a week. Anyone watching this on their smartphone can afford $3.50 a week for healthy hair. If you don't care about hair, that's totally cool, but I have a feeling if you're watching this video, you care about hair. And it makes no sense to spend money on a bag or some cute outfit, but not spend money on your hair. So you walk around with your hair looking all unhealthy, but you have a bag or you have a nice outfit. You might as well pay that $3.50 to have nice looking hair too, because it goes with every outfit. So now that you know that the right shampoo can completely set you up for success and the wrong shampoo can sabotage you, let's talk about the best ones. First of all, I want to completely change your mindset on shampoos. Most people come to me and say, Chris, is this a good shampoo or a bad shampoo? And that is completely the wrong way to look at this. That's the same as asking what the best pizza is. Some people are going to tell you pepperoni, some people are going to tell you cheese, some people are going to tell you Hawaiian, whatever. It's different for everybody. So we need to find out the best shampoo specifically for you, not the best shampoo for everyone, because it doesn't exist. And the idea that somebody could walk down the shampoo aisle at Target and tell people which shampoos to get is absolutely ridiculous. It's much more nuanced than that, so let's get into it. For each shampoo, I'm going to describe the type of hair that it's a perfect match for and the goals that it will help you accomplish. That's how we're going to get you the perfect shampoo for your hair. All right, so number 5 will work for almost everyone. If you struggle with oil or go at least 4 or 5 days between washes, a clarifying shampoo will really help you. My favorite clarifying shampoo is Redken's Cleansing Cream. If you want to know more about clarifying shampoos, you can check the link right up here. This is super useful to cut through the oil and buildup on your hair. It's also really great for people who struggle getting their hair all the way clean. 2 quick words of warning for this guy. If you struggle with dry scalp, stay away from clarifying shampoos. And number 2, you also need a regular shampoo to go with this. This is just a tool to help out. It's not your only shampoo. What you want to do is do your first wash with the clarifying shampoo, second wash with your regular shampoo. Number 4 is Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. This is great for repairing dry, damaged hair. If you went blonde, if you have a lot of damage, this is your guy. But one thing no one talks about when it comes to Olaplex is this is only for repairing damaged hair. If you do not have damaged hair, you do not want to use this at all. Another note on Olaplex that nobody really says is that it's very heavy. That's okay, it's a trade-off for repairing damaged hair, but if you struggle with oil, if you struggle with your hair getting weighed down very, very quickly and easily, you want to stay away from this. This is really better for medium and coarse hair. Number 3 is Pulp Riots Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner, Boston and Singapore. Yeah, the names are a little out there and confusing, but they are amazing. These two are great for fine and medium hair because it's a really light formulation. They're also really, really great for air drying hair. If you air dry your hair, you should really try these. These are gonna give you the least frizz when it air dries. But at the same time, if you have coarse hair that needs that massive hydration, this is not for you. This is for fine and medium hair. If you have coarse hair, wait, I got something for you in just a minute. These are also great if you have color in your hair. They're sulfate free, so they're gentle cleansers, so they won't remove very much color at all. Number 2 is Moroccan Oil's Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This is my favorite for coarse hair that needs a lot of hydration. It's also a really, really strong cleanser because if you have coarse hair, you should be going 5 or more days between shampoos. This will make your hair feel amazing even on the first wash because it puts so much moisture in your hair. But remember, if you have fine or medium hair, it gets weighed down easily, you do not want this moisture. It will weigh down your hair and make it feel oily. This is for coarse hair only. The number 1 shampoo is Redken's Volume Injection. This is best for fine and medium hair and hair that gets blow dried for volume. I'm a little bit biased because I don't think there's any way to make your hair look better than a great blowout. This is one of the few shampoos that will actually add volume to your hair. It actually puts an ingredient in there to give you a little bit more lift and body to your hair, which looks amazing. So this is great for blow drying fine and medium hair. It's also a great choice because it's a very strong cleanser. That means it's gonna get all the oil out of your hair so you can go longer between washes. So if you struggle to get volume or if you struggle with oil, you have fine or medium hair, this is an amazing choice. But if you have coarse hair and you need heavy hydration, you don't want this. Stick with the Moroccan Oil. So congratulations. Believe it or not, you now know more than most stylists about shampoo. I have links to all the products in the description. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you.